Here are some of the craziest moments when drivers crashed into police officers, starting with the most shocking case of them all. In June 2023, officers in Monona, Wisconsin, noticed a vehicle lacking a license plate, raising suspicions of possible theft. The officer initiated a pursuit due to the driver's reckless speed, exceeding 100 miles per hour, suggesting potential illicit activity. Despite numerous spike deployments and involvement from officers of different jurisdictions, the driver skillfully evaded capture, displaying a seeming enjoyment in outmaneuvering law enforcement. However, after an intense pursuit spanning over 10 miles, the driver made a critical error.
Spike hit.
Nice work.
We got hit.
Did you?
Yeah. K853, I've been spiked too. I'm going to try and get out ahead of him and slow him down so I don't lose this pursuit.
The driver's vehicle finally succumbed to a spike, slowing down inevitably, prompting the driver to consider alternative escape routes.
He has been spiked, though I can confirm it. Him and I both have.
Fail.
Exiting the moving vehicle, the driver attempted to flee on foot, leading to a dramatic encounter with law enforcement. As the suspect fled, an officer positioned ahead tried to exit his vehicle but was struck by the suspect's car, wedging him between the two vehicles. Seizing the opportunity, the trapped officer unleashed a canine companion on the suspect, intensifying the foot chase.
Get in, that's me! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Jocko here! Attempted carjacking! Watch out, Eugene! Get on the ground! I'll shoot you! Get on the ground! Watch out, Eugene! Jocko here! 32 in his hand! 32! Selling him, Jocko! Selling him! Get on the ground! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! He's got a gun! He's got a gun!
I'm sorry!
What a gunpoint!
I'm sorry!
Roll on your stomach!
Okay.
My dog's on the bite. He's got a 32.
Okay, please.
Roll on your stomach! All over!
I am. Please get him.
Arms out! Put your arms out to your side!
On your stomach, arms to your side. Hands behind your back, now.
Hands behind your back!
Do not move. Do not move.
The canine swiftly subdued the suspect, inflicting bites as other officers converged on the scene, ultimately securing the fugitive.
My squad got destroyed.
I hit you, I'm sorry.
No, the suspect hit me. You're good. The suspect hit me. I'm good.
You guys both good?
We're good.
I'm beaten.
Yeah, you got bit.
Lay on the ground.
Good.
Okay, I'm sorry, man. Damn.
So, he tried to carjack somebody in a silver SUV over there.
No, I didn't.
Says, what the f you did? Shut up.
Oh, I didn't, boy.
Dude.
I tried to carjack nobody.
So,
I tried to
yeah, he tried to carjack somebody that was sitting in a silver vehicle over there.
trying to take cover.
So,
The officer caught between the cars sustained non-life-threatening injuries and received medical attention. Later investigations revealed the driver to be a wanted fugitive who was subsequently arrested and charged with multiple offenses. In the subsequent incident, while aiding another motorist, the officer's life was perilously endangered by a driver exhibiting extreme recklessness and inattention. On October 29, 2021, a Wisconsin police officer responded to a motor assist call in La Crosse, Wisconsin, where a caller's vehicle had broken down.
There. Okay, no problem. You having some car problems, or? I don't. We can call someone over to bring someone over to you, like one of the tow trucks or something.
Upon returning to his vehicle to request assistance in delivering gas to the location, an unforeseen and chaotic event unfolded.
And could you just have Record of the Week bring some gas over here for her? Oh! Fuck. 69 squad involved accident. Oh! Yeah, once you go ahead and roll medical, you're...
Suddenly, the officer's vehicle was struck from behind by another car, seemingly appearing out of nowhere. The impact was audible, indicating that the officer was not unharmed. Immediately, he radioed for support and EMTs, then proceeded to check on both the reckless driver and the original caller whose vehicle required assistance.
Are you okay? I think so, yeah. Police department. Are you okay, sir? Okay. Are you able, do you have any kind of neck injury or head injuries or anything? Okay. '69. We have pretty good front end damage on the vehicle that hit me. He's saying he's not injured. '69. Once you get FD en route here too, there's some fluids leaking from this vehicle.
After a brief interval, the fire department and additional police officers arrived at the scene, successfully extracting the driver from the extensively damaged vehicle. Fortunately, the officer sustained only minor injuries. The reckless driver was cited for inattentive driving. In the following case, the officer confronted one of the most heedless drivers imaginable.
Is my car fucked?
I mean, you got some good damage here, man. Dude, stop moving, stop moving.
On May 3rd, 2021, a Wisconsin law enforcement officer, while driving through an intersection in his patrol car, was struck by a reckless driver who blatantly disregarded a red traffic signal. Upon regaining his composure, the officer promptly approached the reckless driver.
How's it going?
Dude, you just blew the red, man.
Yeah, no, I didn't see it.
84 negative. Are you good?
Me? Yeah, I'm good.
Are you hurt?
I just got some glass in there. I didn't know. I was paying attention to the right.
Are you hurt, man?
Is my car fucked?
I mean, you got some good damage here, man. Why don't you guys step out of the car? Dude, stop moving, stop moving. Dude, park the car, man.
It is fucked.
Okay, your vehicle's still moving, man. Hit your parking brake up. Can you step out, man?
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, let's get you guys out of here. Come on.
Fuck.
Step over here with me.
It was evident to anyone observing that the driver exhibited signs of intoxication, including slurred speech, droopy eyes, and unsteady movements. Once the driver exited his vehicle, the officer began to inquire about the incident.
Sorry about that, man. I was in my place. I was running to my place and I had to shit so fucking bad. I think I might shit my pants, to be honest with you.
Okay. I mean, you're just not paying attention?
I was not paying attention at all.
Okay. You had anything to smoke tonight?
Me?
Anything to drink?
No.
No?
I smoked a joint like 3 days ago.
Okay.
That was it. I smoked inside in my car.
Despite the driver's claims of sobriety, insisting he had not consumed any alcohol or drugs recently, the officer conducted a search of the vehicle and uncovered a bong that appeared to have been recently used. It became clear to the officer that the driver was indeed under the influence. In an effort to obtain a confession, the officer persisted in questioning the driver.
Come over here.
Over here.
Yeah. Okay, so I want you to be honest with me. You smoked some weed today?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. Pretty recently?
Very recently?
Yeah.
Probably 2 hours ago.
Okay. How much?
How much?
Like, do you feel pretty high? Because you seem pretty high.
No, I'm not high.
You don't feel high?
No.
I see there's a bong in the car.
Yeah, I just bought it from the one place.
Okay.
Smokes for less. That's outside.
Okay. So when did you smoke? 2 hours ago, you said?
2 hours ago, yeah.
At your house or where?
In my house, just at a buddy's.
At a buddy's?
Yeah.
Like south side, north side?
South side.
Okay.
Down to the south side, smoked so I new bong.
How much did you smoke? Like, be honest.
I haven't even smoked that new piece in there.
How much did you smoke 2 hours ago?
Oh, like a couple one hitters.
A couple one hitters. Is that normal or?
Yeah, that's normal.
Subsequently, after eliciting a confession, the officer proceeded to administer a field sobriety test, which the driver failed miserably, unequivocally indicating his impairment, particularly by THC. The driver even attempted to ingest a portion of the evidence. Furthermore, he admitted to consuming illegal substances during the test, leading to his immediate arrest. The subsequent suspect displayed an unexpected lack of remorse following the collision with a police officer using her vehicle. In July 2023, during an active search for a missing 10-year-old child using drone technology, officers from the Lake Villa Police Department were left astonished by an unexpected incident involving a passing driver. The driver collided with the officer's hand and patrol car, compounding the situation by causing a scene. Prompted by this, the officer immediately initiated pursuit, chasing after the fleeing vehicle and eventually conducting a traffic stop.
Did you say they hit you?
Yeah, it hit my arm.
Really?
Cracked the mirror. Their whole mirror's missing pieces hanging off. Good thing this is my arm. Hello, how's it going?
Great.
Okay. So you don't know the reason why we're stopping you?
I'm assuming that I feel like I hit my mirror.
Yeah, do you know what you hit your mirror on?
Probably your car.
You hit me.
Oh, I apologize.
I was walking on the side of the road and you hit my arm. You hit me as I was outside of my car walking.
I apologize. I was leaving where I was at.
So you realized that you got in a crash and you kept driving?
I didn't even realize I hit you.
Okay. Where are you heading to tonight? Going home. Okay. Where are you coming from?
I'm going from Nutty's bar.
Bridge? Okay. How much did you have to drink at Nutty's?
One drink.
Just one drink? Okay. What? See my finger here? Follow with your eyes only. Do not move your head. Okay?
Sure.
Okay. Go ahead and hop out of the car for me, okay?
Her apology fell short, appearing more concerned with being apprehended than remorseful for her actions. Dissatisfied with a mere visual inspection, the officer instructed her to exit the vehicle.
So, I just want you to be honest with me. How much have you actually had to drink tonight?
In the past hour, just one drink.
In the past hour? How about before the past hour?
2.
2 drinks?
Yeah, I was watching the volleyball game.
Okay. What kind of drinks were you drinking?
The party Coke.
Okay. Just one shot, doubles, singles?
And just one shot.
Okay.
The revelation of her inebriation wasn't surprising, given her admission of having come from a bar prior to the collision. Following several failed field sobriety tests, the officers proceeded to arrest her. In the following case, it was evident that the officers experienced enduring psychological harm. On May 2nd, 2022, while on patrol duty in their squad car, 2 Milwaukee police officers encountered an unexpected event when a reckless driver ran a red light, resulting in a collision that caused their vehicle to overturn.
617.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Just hang out.
Trying to.
Just hang out. I'm good.
Witnessing the incident, several passers-by and onlookers swiftly rushed to assist, joining additional officers who arrived at the scene. Together, they worked to extricate the trapped officers from the wreckage.
I'm good.
I've never been in a car accident.
Okay.
Take a deep breath.
Thank you, Showstopper.
Take a deep breath. Just take deep breaths. Sorry. It's okay.
3-3, we're around.
It's okay. Just relax. Okay, try. Hey, look at me. It's
You're very close.
okay. We're okay. Stay like that. Just stay like that. I'm good. Yeah. Get her.
Get Kanikyo out.
Thanks, bro.
Bless you, bro.
Are you alright?
Thank you. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Is she okay? Is she okay?
She's okay. She's okay.
Female.
Despite the female officer's initial panic, the collective efforts of those present led to their swift rescue. Meanwhile, the male officer, still recuperating from the crash, was approached by an eyewitness who had observed the entire sequence of events.
I'm surprised she didn't hit me, man. That was me right there. What happened? She blew the red light. Okay. She blew the red light. That's my truck right there. Almost. I seen her. She used the squad car coming. She just fucking ran right into her. That's the car right there. She blew the red light. Hey. Hold on. Hey. Hey, she's right there. She's right there. She's right there. She blew the red light? Yeah. Yeah, sure. Yeah, positive, bro. Look at this shit. Just hang on here for a minute, right? I'm sorry. Hey, we got a witness right here. We got a good witness.
Both officers were transported to the hospital for treatment, along with the driver of the suspect vehicle, who also sustained injuries. Additionally, the driver faced a misdemeanor charge of reckless driving causing injury. Lastly, the final case, the outcome of which will shock you.
Common, dude.
Fuck out, you're not.
A 21-year-old driver collided head-on with Police Unit 169. See her reaction post-crash.
I'm an A6. We just got a 1386. We just got an accident here in Monroe.
Yeah.
Step out of the car, please.
I am. Can I call my mom?
Just step out of the car.
Okay. Oh my God.
Stay right here.
I just crashed into a cop car. They were fucking stopped in the middle of the road, and I need you. I need you so bad right now. Yes, Mom. I swear to God, I did not mean to.
Do you need medical?
No, I am fine.
In a rush, she dialed her mum to bail her out of the situation she landed in, but even this didn't deter the police from their inquiries once they secured the scene.
Is the truck yours? Yes. Okay. Have you been drinking tonight?
Yes.
Okay. How much you had to drink, my dear?
I think I had like 3 drinks.
Okay. All right. Do you want to take field sobriety tests?
I can do that, yes.
Okay. All right.
She agreed to a field sobriety test, which the officer administered, yielding inconclusive results as her performance was neither exemplary nor poor. However, when asked for a breathalyzer test, she adamantly refused, resulting in her being handcuffed and placed in the back of the patrol car. Yet, a surprising turn of events occurred when her mum, whom she had been calling since the onset of the crash, finally arrived.
Hi.
Hi.
She's okay. She's not hurt. She's like, obviously, like, she's upset. But she's not hurt. She's okay.
Okay.
Right now we're in the process. She was drinking when the accident happened, so we're just kind of getting that all sorted out for her. But she's not hurt. She's okay.
I know.
She seems like a very nice girl.
She is. She has so much. Oh, this is gonna fall.
It's fine. My preference would be to release her to you, if that's okay with you.
Oh my God, yes.
It's just going to take a few minutes. We got to get all of our paperwork sorted out. Let me check with my boss, and as long as they're okay with that, because I don't want to take her to the jail for anything.
Oh my God.
Plus, she was in an accident, and they're not going to take her to the jail, and she don't need that. So
thank you. God bless you.
Rather than being taken into custody, she was released to her mother and received only a citation for OVI and failure to control her vehicle in this incident.